If you've clicked on this video, then you are probably smart enough to already know why you need to generate a passive income today, so we can skip that and just dive into it. If you're not familiar with the term passive income, it's any form of income that doesn't require you to actively work for it. It's the kind of income that keeps rolling in even when you're not doing anything to earn it actively. Hence why people say make money when you sleep. Sounds pretty good, right? That's why passive income is such a hot topic these days. Who wouldn't want to make money while they sleep? But let's get one thing clear. It's not like you can sit back and do nothing and the money will start pouring in. Sorry to disappoint. You'll need to put in the work first, then you'll reap the rewards. But luckily for you, that's what we're here to discuss. You see, there are ways to set up income streams that don't require much ongoing work. For example, rental properties can generate passive income through rental payments, but they require money to begin with, and for many of us, that's not an option. So with that in mind, let's discuss some other passive income ideas for people that don't have much money to begin with, or no money at all. The first option is creating and selling digital products. This could be anything from ebooks and online courses to printables and stock photos. The key here is to create something that has a high demand and can be sold repeatedly without requiring you to do a lot of work. For example, let's say you're an expert in a particular topic like graphic design or personal finance. You can create an ebook or online course teaching others what you know and sell it on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or on your own website. The great thing about digital products is that they can be delivered automatically, so you don't have to worry about fulfillment or shipping. Plus, you can create them once and sell them repeatedly, making it a potentially lucrative passive income stream. Now, creating and selling digital products does require some initial effort and investment. You'll need to put in the time and energy to research, create, and market your product. But once it's up and running, it has the potential to generate passive income for you for a very long time. Now, another way to create passive income online is through affiliate marketing. This is when you promote products from other companies and earn a commission for every sale you help generate. You can do this by creating a blog or YouTube channel, or you can join affiliate networks like 𝐏𝐤𝐤 or Amazon Associates and choose from various products to promote. For example, let's say you have a popular food blog where you share recipes and cooking tips. You could include affiliate links to kitchen appliances and other related products in your blog post. When someone clicks on one of those links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that it can be a passive income stream, as you continue to earn commission from sales that you generate long after you've published the original content. But keep in mind that affiliate marketing does require some ongoing work. You'll need to regularly publish new content in order to keep your audience engaged and to keep the affiliate sales coming in. It's also important to choose products that align with your audience's interests and needs, and to provide value through your content. A third way to create passive income online, one that I highly recommend if you already have some money, is rental properties. Now, this is an option that does require some upfront investment, as you'll need to purchase the property to rent it out. However, once you've purchased the property, it can generate passive income for you through rental payments. There are a number of online platforms such as Airbnb that make it easy to rent out your property to travelers. Or let's say your family has a vacation home that you're not using all the time, you could list it on Airbnb and rent it out to travelers when you're not using it. The platform handles all bookings and payment processing, so all you have to do is make sure the property is clean and ready for guests. You can also consider hiring a property manager to handle the day-to-day tasks if you don't want to be involved in the management of the property. Rental properties can be a great way to generate passive income, especially if you're able to purchase a property in a popular vacation destination or a location with a high demand for rentals. However, it's important to keep in mind that rental properties do require some ongoing work, such as maintaining the property and dealing with tenants. Those are just a few examples of how to create a passive income online. There are many other options as well, such as creating and selling a mobile app, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or starting a dropshipping business. Key is to find the option that aligns with your interests, skills, and financial goals. It's important to keep in mind that passive income streams take time and effort to set up, and they may not generate a significant amount of income right away, but with patience and persistence, they can be a valuable addition. They can generate a substantial amount of money in the long run. So those are just a few passive income ideas that you can explore in 2023 or beyond. I hope this video has given you some inspiration and ideas for how you can create your own passive income streams. If you have any questions or want to share your own passive income ideas, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching.